another thrift store, a care store, and I'm gonna see if I can find something for my shabby chic decoration. shop. I went to Goodwill. Goodwill is so expensive, so the prices are higher than the regular price that you get at stores. So the only thing that I got is this fabric for my Shabby Chic decoration that has flowers and birds, and I paid for this one $3.98. Okay, so then I stopped in the one that is Salvation Army thrift shop, and I got a set of 3 plates. Look at this, they are so beautiful. So I got a set of 3 of them, and I pay for the set of 3 $5 for the set of 3. Okay, and then I went to the next day. I went to another thrift shop. This one is the local thrift shop here when I live in Florida, and I got this beautiful set of canisters. Set $8, the set of 4 canisters. Okay, so it brings the spoon. They are in excellent conditions, and I'm gonna spray paint them white, and then make a Shabby Chic decoration. Mainstays, they are from Walmart, and they have their own spoon for different sizes. And I also got, this is for Christmas. I thought it was so beautiful for my Christmas decoration. And I got a set of 2 napkins, beige napkins, the set of 2 for $1. Then I have these cups, 50 cents each, and I got 4 of them, 50 cents each. So they are here, and I got these beautiful plates, 50 cents. Look what beauty it is. And I got 2 because if you didn't saw my video, I have a video how I upgrade my dining table, and I only have 2 chairs now because here we live my husband, only my husband and me. Then I got this dolly. It's like a runner, but I'm not gonna use like a runner because if you see, they have a stain over there. I'm gonna cut some pieces and use it for my decoration. And I paid for this one $150. Then, okay, and I got this beautiful plate, $2. I paid $2 for this one. I only got 1 to decorate in my kitchen. And then oh, look, the set of this one, $2 also. So I can use it like this. Look what a beauty it is. So I got 2 of this one, and 2 of this one, and I paid $2. Then let me see what I got here. I got some beautiful mugs, coffee mugs, $50. Look what cute it is. Also with the flowers. I think I got like 3 different ones. Yeah, 50 cents. I think I said $50. It's 50 cents. 50 cents, 50 cents. I got another one. And also 50 cents. This is bigger. I just buy 3 different ones. They don't have the set, so I buy it to have the collection of kits. So I think, yeah, that is all that I got in the local thrift shop, and it was really good prices. So don't miss the decoration video of my kitchen and my living room for the Shabby Chic decoration. This is something that I also got in the thrift shop. This is clothes patterns. This is very old macros and simplicity. And I just get some that I can use because I also have a sewing machine. But the purpose of this is to put it as a decor for a tray. And also, I got the picture frames. It looks like the Shabby Chic, and I'm gonna use it for a project. And I pay $1 for each one. And for the patterns, I pay 50 cents for each one.